If you've forgotten your password for Gaia or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Gaia login page. Go to the official Gaia website and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Gaia account in the designated field. Make sure it's the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Gaia. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Gaia account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gaia's customer support for further assistance.